Well, welcome to our 101 poetry prompts. Today here's the book we're working our way through. Today we're up to prompt number 72, which is fire alarm. You ever, I guess everybody has, you're going out to the parking lot at Wal-Mart and you hear a car alarm going off and everybody just ignores it. I always wonder what good are they, everybody just ignores them. And I got to thinking of all the false alarms we ignore today, and that's what today's story's about. 72, fire alarm. I'm reminded of a nursery rhyme. The boy cried when there was a wolf in his vision. But when the real wolf never came, never appeared, the boy's friends learned not to listen. That is where we are today, with alarms both loud and soft. We are conditioned to either ignore them all or reach over and turn them off. When is the last time you heard a car alarm in the Wal-Mart parking lot? Did you think to call the police? The answer, I expect, is not. What about the last tornado warning? Did you all gather under the bar to listen, to hear the radon gas detector buzz, or spot the engine light in your car? And when the fire alarm goes off at home, it is plastic and looks like a toy. You know it only needs new batteries, and you fix it fast to stop the noise. The only alarms that seem to work are built with increasing irritation, like the check seatbelt light in your car that tests the limits of exasperation. Here's a test. Do you know? What is your U.S. threat level guess? And what if the alarm goes off? We will ignore it like all the rest. Okay, that's today's poem, number 72. Let's see what we got tomorrow. It is grit. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow.